To reset network settings on your Samsung phone, go to Settings first, then scroll down to General Management. From there, scroll down a bit and you'll see a Reset menu. Tap that, and there we can reset various things on your phone. So, you could reset mobile network settings, or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or both. I'm going to go ahead and do both of them. For the mobile network settings, it's going to ask a PIN to confirm, and if your phone is using multiple SIMs, it'll ask you which SIM you want to reset the mobile network settings for. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset is a bit straightforward. You'll just confirm you want to reset, and that's it. Now, this will reset things like your saved Wi-Fi network names and passwords, paired Bluetooth devices, saved VPN profiles, custom DNS settings, and that type of network-related settings. It's not going to delete any of your photos, videos, apps, wallpaper, lock screen. All of that stays exactly the same. It only clears network-related settings and nothing else. That's it. Like this video, and if you have an Android phone, you gotta subscribe for more guides like this. Thank you. Bye.